Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Ads. It's a beginner's guide. So this is just a basic information about Google Ads. So of course, it's very important for you to enter your business name. This one is optional, but when it comes to creating or putting or setting up a business name, it should be catchy, of course. And another thing is you should have your website in order for you to just simply copy that URL and then paste it here. But again, it's optional. Now, why is it important to have this first campaign on Google Ads? And what is this? So, you may advertise your goods and services on Google's extensive network of search results, websites, videos, mobile apps, and maps, retail listings, and more by running a campaign. Based on your advertising goal, brand strategy, and available time, you will select a campaign type. So this one is your first campaign. So you can link your YouTube channel if you have. So all you have to do is to tap this one, copy your YouTube account, okay, and then paste it right here. Okay, so as you can see here, link your YouTube channel, configure settings, and then review account, and that's it. Now, if you want to link more accounts, you can link your mobile application. So you want to link to Android, iOS. And if you want to link your Google business profile, you just have to add, okay, and then connect. And then also you can add your phone number here. And then once done, what you want to do is to just simply click next. Okay. So you can link your device, your social media account here. Everything is up to you. Okay, so once you tap next, this is what it looks like. They will ask for this. What is your goal for this campaign? So we have choices here: purchases, submit lead form, phone call leads, page views, brand awareness. We have also here contacts, or if you want to promote book appointments and so on, you just have to select from any of the choices here. But now, I want to promote something about products and services, so I have to tap this purchases here. Okay, and then once done, click next. So here you can now create an ad. So as you can see here, create an ad that motivates people to schedule an appointment. So as you can see, it is all provided here. And what you want to do is to just simply import the files, the videos, the pictures that you need for your ads. Aside from that, you can also preview that if you are using your mobile or your laptop. And as you can see here, you can add text, image, and other assets. Google builds and tests different combinations of your assets to find your highest performing ads. So you can add up to 20 images here. You can just simply click image, and then you can add image from your computer, from your device. And you can also find some images here under asset library. What you want to do is just simply go to the search bar and then select or type some keywords. For example, you are promoting about technology, about fashion, about products, about accessories, something like that. So you just have to type some keywords here. And if you found images that are related to your product, then you can add here. But of course, I prefer to, or I suggest that you should import your original photos and videos. Also, same with logos. They have also samples of logos here under asset library. But like what I've mentioned, it would be better if you create your own logo. So there are tons of editing tools for promoting photos and logos and videos. We have Canva, we have CapCut. Okay, so you just have to choose from any of those editing tools. And then once you're done with that, then the result can be, of course, used here. You just have to import that. Now, site links, we have here descriptions, we have here headlines. So all you have to do is to input or enter some information, headlines, and words here. And once everything is okay, then you can now proceed. Of course, your ad is now ready. And all you have to do is simply review some of your For example, locations or your language here. You can even add search themes. What are some words or phrases people use when searching for your product? So you can add here technology, business, accessories, everything is up to you. Okay, so you can add some search themes here so that it would be easier for people to search or view your product. Okay, and then once done, you can now click next. Now you are now on payment details. So what you want to do is just simply enter your payment method here, payment details. And then once you're done with this, then you can now proceed and click submit. So this is just a very basic tutorial on how to use Google Ads. So I really hope that this somehow gave you a little bit information about this. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.